Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can create your QR code for free. I'll be showing you how you can create your YouTube QR code for free. Now this QR code is completely free, and you can also create for other social media platforms. But for the sake of this video, we'll be using YouTube just as a case study. Now we'll be doing this on Chrome, and we'll be going to the website right away. So if this is the first time you are coming to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share. That will motivate us to even research and do more helpful videos like this. Let's go. So before we go to Chrome, let's go to YouTube so that we can copy the link that we'll be using. So this is my YouTube homepage, and for some of you who don't know how to copy your link from YouTube, when you get to YouTube, you click on your profile. So I'll now click on my profile, and I will click on this three dotted arrow, and I will click on share. As you can see, share here. I'll click on share, then I'll click on copy link. Now I've just copied my link, and we'll have to go to Chrome, right? So let's go to Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome, and I will be searching QR code tiger.com. So the name of the website is qrcode-tiger.com. as you can see it here. Okay, this is not correct. Let me correct it. This is tiger. QR code. Okay, look at it here. This is the website. Hope you can see that. Okay, so I'll be clicking on it. As you can see, the website has just loaded up immediately. Now, if this is the first time you are coming to this particular website, you will do well to register, and you take the free 1 month trial. So you have the paid version and the free 1 month trial. So when you must have registered, just like you see here. I've already registered my account, but if this is your first time, you can create your account with your email and password. Then you now choose some of the need, ask you some few questions that you can easily answer. So when you are done, you'll find yourself in this kind of page. It's very simple, right? My account. I want to go to dashboard. So what you will do here is that you will be leading a link as you are on desktop mode. So if you are not on desktop mode, you just have to tap this three dotted line here on your Chrome. Then you scroll down, and you have to confirm if you are on desktop mode. As you can see, I am currently on desktop mode, so that you can view the full interface of this particular platform, right? So what you will do is that you now, after registration, you have to enter your QR code for that particular YouTube channel that you want to create the QR code for. You will now enter it here, right? So I'll be entering the link which we copied already. I'll tap here and I'll click on paste. As you can see, I just paste the QR code which we copied earlier before we start the video. I will now click on generate QR code. I hope you can see that here. Click on generate QR code, then I'll click it and the QR code has just generated. Now you can see, so I can decide to edit this QR code to my taste by clicking here. Okay, let's choose logo. I'll click on logo. Since we are dealing with YouTube, why not me using a YouTube logo? So I will now select a YouTube logo. I'll now tap on YouTube. As you can see, the YouTube logo has shown on that QR code, right? Now I can also decide to click on this eyes and I can change it to, okay, let me change it to this particular one. I'll tap here. As you can see, it has just changed to that shape, right? I can also click on color and I can decide to adjust color, but I like this color, so there is no need. I can decide fonts. Okay, let me choose this font right here, right? I'll click on fonts. I hope you can see that. So everything has changed, right? So after this, what I will do is I'll have to download. Click on download, but then I will advise you to choose this SVG instead of PNG, because the SVG will help you to, it will help the image to adapt in all kind of resizing. So when you resize it, it still can play its original role, right? Instead of getting disabled after resizing. So I will choose this particular one here. I will choose SVG and I will click on download, right? So let's click on download. And it said download again. I'll click on allow. One download failed. Why? Okay, let's download. Let's click on download again. I'll click on download. What is going on? Why is this taking time to download? I hope you can see it, guys. I guess the network is messy. Okay, guys, if you observe this area, you see that they showed me all my templates. So my templates are all these ones that, yeah, so these are my templates, right? So what I will do is that I will long press on one of these templates, the one I wish to download, right? So I will long press on this and I'll click on download image, right? And you can see here it said image downloaded, right? Okay, let's click on open. Let's see, let's click on open. I'll go to download. As you can see, image successfully downloaded. Now this is my YouTube QR code. I can actually use this to drive traffic to my YouTube channel by just sending it out to audience and asking them to scan and subscribe to my channel, engage to my channel and all of that. So you can do this on your own. It's very simple. As you can see, the whole process is easy. Please, if this video was helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, share, and also support me so that I'll always bring good updates for you. Thank you, and see you on the next one.